they gave to me. Let me just say, PDP! 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 Power order! I've stand on the already established protocol because my own brother, Governor Ademola Adeleke, did a perfect job establishing the protocol. So I won't want to reinvent the wheel. I want to thank everyone that has come to grace this occasion. And again, Dupe, Lower SOJ Junior at Mommy, was they flew in from the US just to be part of this occasion. What they normally say is it is not how long, but how well. My dear brother, Soji Adagodo, though he was with us for a very short period, but he made very significant impact on the politics of Southwest of Nigeria. My brother, Governor Adeleke, I want to appreciate you today for being here. Because, yeah, we had our issues. We were fighting ourselves, especially for the control of Zonal ESCO. Brother, the Olafes, that is, first, Governor Adeleke, for coming here, for being part of this, also magnanimity. That means whatever has happened in the past is behind us. And Dr. Ediola Feso also is here. We fought. That is the spirit of PDP. PDP, Ali Barawa Jabot, ọkọ ìyá ọlọ́tí ti gbọ́n sí. Tọ́lá tó bá ti di aago mẹ́wàá, á jókòó, á lọ gbé chair ẹ̀, á lọ jókòó ti ìyàwó ẹ̀. Ẹ̀ tó bá fẹ́ máa dọ́gbọ́n kan pé kóun mọtí di 11, wọ́n á jọ close ni. So let me also specially recognize my brother, the next governor of Ondo State, His Excellency Agbola Ajayi. It's only 2 weeks more. This time, 2 weeks from today, Ondo State people will be in the process of electing him as their next governor. This is 2 p.m. 2 hours after this time, the result will have started coming out, validating him as the next governor of Ondo State. And those of you thinking that the only way to really run a law is for division to be in the PDP. Well, the southwest of Nigeria is leading the way. My brother Ladi Adebutu your own time will also come. Oh. I said it before that when we look at Nigeria, if the Southwest is united, Nigeria will unite. And we're here. The two PDP governors who are in the Southwest, we're here together. All our leaders are here. Governor Yilola, Onwambi. Also from outside of the Southwest, Lovers Southwest, they are also here. Governor Ikpeazu from the Southeast, thank you for identifying with us. Governor Autumn from the North Central, he is here. Thank you for identifying with us. I only have one message, just one thing to say. Yes, we have done this to keep the memory of our brother, Honorable Soji Adagodo. Ìgbà tí àwọn the troop Ọ̀yọ́ State tí wọ́n ṣeré, àwé tó lead wọn ni pé I should just make him an essay. Oda, your wish has been granted today. But kò ṣe announcement kan tí màá make nìyẹn. Also, Soji Adagodo Jr., you will get your letter as special advisor to Oyo State Governor on regional integration. And mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Governor Ọ̀ṣun pé ẹ ti yá mi lò. People have been complaining, they've been talking, they've been doing a lot of permutation. Let me say this again. Tí Seyi Makinde bá fẹ́ jáde fún anything, I will say it by myself. Nobody will set an agenda for me apart from myself. They've also been talking pé okay, the ruling party, wọ́n tọwọ́ bọ gbogbo all the parties láti make sure pé wọn ò tò. Well, let me say it in English so that, because they're carrying this thing live on TVC, so that the entire country, even if you can't speak or you don't understand Yoruba, you will hear what I'm about to say. If you're accusing the ruling party that they are the ones putting their hands into all other parties to ensure that they don't get their acts together so that there will be no opposition in 2027. My own position is there are certain things that you have under your own control. Whether me and Governor Adeleke will cooperate for the growth and benefit of our party in the Southwest state, it is beyond the ruling party. It is between me and Governor Adeleke. So please, let us all work together, unite our base. That is all that we need to do. The next election will be APC versus Nigerians. It is not even about APC versus PDP. So let us just do our own bit to unite our party, unite our base, and let the people of Nigeria, let them speak. They've done it in Oyo State. They've done it in Osun State. They will do it in Nigeria. So please don't fret. Don't even think external people have control over what will happen in our party. Yes, they may try, but it is only when we allow it. So I admonish PDP all over the country. The way to demonstrate this is when you know 1, 2, or 3 people in Ondo State, call them. Tell them PDP is united. Tell them Ondo State election coming up 2 weeks from now will give an indication where Nigeria will be in 2027. So let us unite. I'm glad that we're opening this house. It's a demonstration of our unity. I'm also glad that our acting national chairman is here. The kind of story they would have loved to be